The Nature of the Personality Ego in Blavatskyan Theosophy by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The personality ego, as delineated in Blavatskyan Theosophy, is perceived as a construct that emerges from the interplay of various psychological and social factors. The personality ego is not to be confused with the reincarnating or immortal ego, which evolves from life to life, and is composed of the higher principles Atma Buddhi Manas of the human constitution. Blavatskyan Theosophy posits that the personality ego is not an inherent aspect of the true self. Rather, it is a transient manifestation shaped by the rational mind, lower manas, and emotional kama principles in the human constitution, influenced by the material conditions of existence. This perspective aligns with the metaphysical underpinnings of transcendental idealism, wherein the ego is viewed as a limited lens through which reality is perceived. The personality ego is not a static entity, but a dynamic construct that evolves with experiences and societal influences. Furthermore, the personality ego is characterized by its propensity for separation and duality, fostering a sense of individuality that, while essential for navigating the material world, ultimately obscures the deeper truths of unity and interconnectedness. In this context, the personality ego can be seen as a barrier to spiritual enlightenment, as it perpetuates a false sense of autonomy and independence, thereby inhibiting the realization of one's intrinsic connection to the cosmos. This duality creates a dichotomy between the self and the other, leading to a fragmented perception of reality that can hinder spiritual growth and understanding.